A QR code is a great way to promote your business or website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with a QR code generator. A QR code is an easy way for customers to access your website or business. They can be scanned with a smartphone or tablet and will take the viewer directly to your site. Step-by-step explanation. Number 1. You will need to visit our QR code generator. There are many QR code generators available online. The one we are going to recommend in this video is a free QR code generator by POS USA, link given in the description of the video. Number 2. Enter the URL of the website or business you want to promote. As people will be scanning the QR code with their smartphones, they'll be taken directly to your website or business page. This is the most common use for QR codes. However, you can also generate QR codes for other types of content, such as Wi-Fi, V-cards, events, social media links, and so much more. The tool provides different possibilities for specific content. When you choose a QR code type, a field or form will appear where you can enter the data for your campaign. For example, if you want your QR code to preserve email contact information, you can enter your email address, subject line, and related message in a set of fields. Number 3. Customize the look of your QR code. You can create a unique QR code by customizing the color, shape, pattern, and frame options. You can also add a logo to your QR code. This is a great way to make your code stand out and match your branding. You can either select a logo from the gallery or upload your own. You can also adjust the size and resolution of your code under the options settings. Number 4. Download or print your QR code. Once your QR code is looking the way you want it, you can download it as a .png, .svg, or .pdf file. You can also print it out if that's what you prefer. Just make sure the code is large enough to be scanned easily. The minimum size for a QR code is 2 by 2 centimeters or 1 by 1 inch. Number 5. Place your QR code where people will see it. Now that you have your QR code, you need to put it somewhere so people will see it. You can put it on your website, business cards, flyers, or anywhere else you think people will look. Try to be creative in where you place your QR code, maybe somewhere unexpected, but still within eyesight. The more people who see your QR code, the more likely they are to scan it. Number 6. Test your QR code. Before you start promoting your QR code, make sure to test it. Scan it with your own smartphone to see if it takes you to the right place. You don't want people to be disappointed when they scan your code. Make sure that the URL or content that you're sending people to is up to date and accurate. You may want to consider setting up a landing page specifically for people who scan your QR code. This way, you can control the experience that they have and make sure that it's a positive one. QR codes are a great way to promote your business or website. They're quick and easy to create, and customers can scan them to access your site or other information. With just a few simple steps, you can have a QR code that's ready to use. There are no limits on how you can use QR codes, so feel free to get creative and use them in any way that makes sense for you or your business. Try it out now by following the link below.